sick for it, yet I have never been there. Call me a stranger, 'cause that's all I am. I know I don't belong. Call me anything, but when he calls me, call me gone. Just call me gone. Well, I'll be leaving. Call me gone. You'll be grieving if you're left here without Jesus to call on. Call me gone. No more heartache. Call me gone. All that it takes is for me to hear him call me gone. We know I've been called an awful lot of things in my lifetime, and well, smart wasn't off to one of them. But I was smart enough one day to call Jesus Christ the Lord of my life, and I called it quits to a whole lot of sinning. That's because of that commitment. Well, some folks laugh and call me foolish, but let them go ahead and laugh, 'cause that doesn't bother me at all. 'Cause even a fool can see by the shape she's in that this old world's about to fall. But as long as I let Jesus call the shots, well, I've got nothing at all to fear. And when that roller's caught up yonder, don't call me, 'cause I'm not gonna be here. Call me gone. Well, I'll be leaving. Call me gone. You'll be grieving if you're left here without Jesus to call on. Just call me gone. No more heartaches. Call me gone. All that it takes is for me to hear him call me gone. Yes, when Jesus calls for